This is the 2026 Yamaha YZF R9. A machine Yamaha never officially admitted exists, yet it is being tested in silence. For months, small flashes of a mysterious supersport were spotted on hidden tracks across Japan. A sharper body, a louder tone, a different attitude. It didn't match the 2025 R9, because it wasn't the same bike anymore. The 2026 R9 is not just another middleweight. This is Yamaha rewriting its own rulebook. From the front, the first thing visible on the test mule was the new aerodynamic split-nose design. Slimmer, angrier, and more focused than the previous generation. Hidden winglets were also spotted, not wide and flashy, but tiny and tucked inside the fairing. Designed for stability, not show. But the real surprise lies deeper. Under the body, Yamaha is rumored to be testing a new evolution of the CP3 Plus engine. Same DNA, but retuned for higher mid-range torque and a more explosive top end. If this tune goes official, the 2026 R9 will push the boundaries of what a middleweight supersport can do. And Yamaha didn't stop there. A new lightweight chassis, inspired by the R1's racing frame, has been spotted in prototype tests. Sharper steering response, tighter cornering, and a more aggressive supersport stance. This isn't the comfortable, friendly R9 anymore. This is a pure track-born creature. The electronics package takes things even further. Multiple traction modes, cornering ABS, advanced slide control, and a next-generation quickshifter that reacts faster than before. There's even talk of a radar-assisted safety module, a first for the R9 platform. But the biggest twist is the exhaust. A completely redesigned system with a deeper, more raw triple sound. Not tuned for silence, tuned for identity. You don't just hear the R9 approaching, you feel it. Every leak, every shadow, every test mule sighting points to one thing: the 2026 R9 is coming. And Yamaha wants it to be a weapon, not a toy. Sharper aerodynamics. A stronger triple. Smarter electronics. Aggressive handling. A sound that refuses to be ignored. Yamaha didn't build this bike to follow the supersport world. They built it to start a new fight. This is the machine that will carry the R-Series legacy into its next era. The 2026 Yamaha YZF R9, the secret prototype that was never meant to be seen. Until now.